I still cry, and I just still don't understand, but maybe I'm not supposed to. Never in my life, never in a million years did I think this would happen.
It's been a little bit since we put the GoFundMe out, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's been about 2 months, I think. First of all, I'm sorry it took so long, this process of getting the money to you, but
You didn't know. You've never done it before.
no, nothing like this. You know, setting up the trust, it took a while, but I just want to make sure it was done the right way. Since I'm the one that set up this whole fundraiser, I just felt like I had a big responsibility to make sure that the money was safe and it was protected, and that you are the only person that gets to use this money. That was my big thing. I didn't want any family members or friends that haven't talked to you in a really long time come back into your life all of a sudden because you have money. This is your money, and you get to use it for you and nobody else. And so I brought a couple pieces of paper. Have you seen the GoFundMe yet on the internet?
No.
This is what it looks like right here. And so I set this up, and people could go there and donate, and that was the video of me mowing your lawn last summer. If you look over here, the total amount we've raised is $885,000. And right there, it says 35,300 people made a donation.
Wow.
And so I decided to make the very first donation. I donated $500 to get it kicked off.
Wow.
And then our biggest donation was from somebody that wanted to stay anonymous, and somebody donated $5,000.
Oh, you should be so proud of yourself.
I'm just happy I could do this for you, because you are the most deserving person I can think of. I know you're still thinking about, you know, whether you're going to stay in this house or find a patio home or potentially move to California to be closer to some family. But, you know, here in this next week or two, I want to get some of the smaller things knocked out that you need done. Yeah, so I mean, for sure, I know you said you wanted to get a new bed.
Yes.
Is your bed in pretty bad shape?
The mattress is 50 years old.
I think you need a new mattress for sure. So that's one thing we're gonna get taken care of today. I've got an appointment at 2:30, and then 2 days from now, we've got scheduled to have cleaners come in here and get your house cleaned up, get everything dusted, get the windows cleaned, get everything vacuumed. And then that same morning, we're gonna have a maintenance guy come over, because you've got some windows that need to be either fixed or replaced.
Yep, that one and the one on the back.
I've gotten hundreds, maybe thousands of messages of people wanting an update. So I just kind of want to make sure people had an update.
It's still unbelievable. I still cry, and I just still don't understand, but maybe I'm not supposed to. Never in my life, never in a million years did I think this would happen.
Hey everyone, Spencer here with SB Mowing, and this is the long-awaited update with Beth. For those of you that don't know, I started a GoFundMe a couple months ago for a lady named Beth. My community came together and raised almost $1 million, completely changing her life. Well, we finally got through the whole process of creating a trust for Beth and getting the money transferred to her account. But she still is making the hard decision of either staying where she is and renovating her home, moving to a single-story patio home here in Wichita, or moving back to California to be closer to some family. And she's been praying a lot about the decision, but wants to take her time on it to make sure that it's the right one. So we wanted to do what we could to make it more comfortable for her in the meantime. And first thing first was to get her a new mattress to replace her 50-year-old one. Next, we got some of her broken window glass fixed and then the trim replaced around them. And we didn't want to go all out on this because we weren't sure if she's moving yet. Finally, the most important thing was helping her declutter and organize her home so it was easier and safer for her to move around. I did want to give a big shout out to Josh and Aja for helping me with this. Also, we did get her a life alert necklace and some security cameras on her house so that she can continue to maintain her independence but also have help in case of an emergency. Anyways, thank you so much to everyone for your support in this process and for making this a reality. If you want to watch everything that that happened in more detail, be sure to go watch the full 23-minute video on my YouTube channel, or it's also linked on my profile. Also, stay tuned over the next month or two for another update video once we figure out Beth's next steps. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week, and we'll see you next Friday. SB Mowing, out.